ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್
ನೀನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು
engage in basic a fairly simple road, but challenges you never know when we come across them. So drone boy,
what is MRP?
ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳು.
Thank you. Correct.
I'm gonna get back when I feel like.
The light is little less because it is still 5:40 in the morning. Good morning, Shubhodaya, ellarigu namaskara. Excited after a long time. It's been a really hectic and stressful times. So, but thankful we are today going on a drive/ride because I'm going with my riding club. But I thought let's take the Jimny out and let's go on a drive. So we're going to a place called Gullati Forest. Okay, now I have no clue where this is or what it entails, etc. I just want to get out of the house. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. The weather is not too hot. As you can see, I'm wearing a full sleeve sweatshirt. We'll be joining Harshit, Rohit, everyone. It's been a while since I've met all, so it's an exciting day after a long. Is the yeah, I think that's fine. I've forgotten vlogging, guys. It's been a while. Every time something or the other coming up, so I'm not able to. So today's going to be a fun day. Stay tuned. We're going, the first meeting point is Acclaim Motors, Yelahanka. So we're going there. Harshit is going to be coming there, and then we're going to be going together. I think Rohit also is driving today. There are, I think, 15-16 people who will be riding. Not sure if all 15 will be riding, but let's see. You will come to know as and when it goes. So that's what the small plan for the day is. Let's go. We've reached Acclaim. That is Acclaim. We're waiting. I think one bike I see. Harshit is never on time. If he's ever on time, I'll change my name. I've told him a gazillion times to come on time, but he is never on time. So let's wait for others and let's go. Harshit is coming, he told, in 5-10 minutes. Let's see. The time now is 6:03. I'll let you know once he comes. Boss is here. Hello, Nino. Harshit is here. Everyone is here. Show your car feature.
ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್
To be Lamborghini, but it's not. So if at all you see this car, you know what to do.
ನಮ್ದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ
ಸೇಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು
ಸೇಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್.
ನೀನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿನಾದ್ರೂ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ.
ಸರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಈಗ? 6:25 ಆಯ್ತಾ? 7 o'clock ರೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7:30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರೋದು.
ಅದು ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ 6 o'clock ಯು ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನಾವು ಜಾಯ್ಮಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಂದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ.
Open it fully now.
Represent. Satish has gone for wash. I can sit for Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Stop. Too much.
Louder.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is having a nice morning, and so we'll leave about in another 5 minutes. Sorry, I didn't introduce myself. I am Kanaya. I'm the new CRT of Acclaim. I'll be planning and managing all these rides from now on. Mr. Rohit has passed it down to me. I'll try my best to do a good job. We have some old riders, also some new faces with us. Hopefully we'll give everybody a good experience. So we are leaving from here about 6:45-7. Should reach the location by 9:45-10. We have a small meetup point near Anekal turning. So we'll meet up with Arman Motors there, also a few of our other riders. So from there we'll continue the ride. It's a very scenic route. It'll be a bit cold. It'll be nice. Better to beat this Bangalore heat right now. I hope everybody has fun. and I hope we do more rides like this.
Awesome. Guys, just to give a quick heads up for the riders who are joining for the first time or not ridden with us much, we will be riding as a group, we will be riding as a formation. We'll be riding one behind another. Make sure that there is sufficient gap between each riders. Just engage in basic basic rules, regulations, follow traffic rules, don't go haphazard. So ultimately, we're all here to have fun and safety is a priority. So take care of yourselves. Yeah.
Right.
And,
We're waiting for the
we have,
signature.
Kelvin. So Kelvin is our technician. He's going to be in the Hilux, and we are prepared for the worst. Even though it's a tarmac, it's a fairly simple road, but challenges you never know when we come across them. So we have the backup, and we have tools, spares, and of course Kelvin is there to take care of you guys. So in case you have a breakdown, Arnab will be in this car as a backup. So we will drop in a message in the group saying
I'll
that.
also put a live location, so just in case you guys miss out on anything, you can see my live location. I'll be the last one in the group.
And call him in case you have a breakdown or anything as such. Call him. He will just put a tag in the group saying that for any concerns you reach out to me. And the whole thing is to have fun. So get to know one another. Okay, and
Signature statement.
Yeah,
Signature statement.
well, keep in mind we are out for a ride. So it's a ride, not a race. So yes, let's have fun, guys.
Meeting point Domino's Attipille.
So we are at the meeting point. Time ಎಷ್ಟು 8 o'clock. Waiting for all the riders to join and then we'll start. Where is Big Boss? Illi. Where is your drone? Maintenance. Why? How was the ride?
Very good, excellent. Oh my God.
What you're telling excellent? You came on a drive. Ride you're telling excellent.
The drive itself, I slept so well.
Yeah. How was the ride?
Great man. Loved it.
How was the ride?
That was great.
Splendid, spectacular.
Awesome, man. Thank you.
Amazing.
How was the weather?
Yeah, too good.
How's the bike?
Better than Bangalore.
Ah. How was the ride?
Nice.
Is this your first ride?
Yeah. With this group first ride.
Oh, which is better?
Which is better?
You still have time. Vamos.
Awesome! Great to be back with Acclaim!
Woo!
Woo!
Very special ride.
Amazing ride.
Amazing.
Into two.
It's too fucking hot, bro. Tell bro, Yoga Mister, how's the ride? Amazing ride. Hey, Akash, you did not capture the amazing decal. Look at that.
You changed,
That's what I'm saying.
Your bike was a grey color. I thought this was your bike, duh.
Look at that change. Bro wants to be flexing alcoholism. MRP.
What is MRP?
Maximum retail price.
Not bad.
How was the ride?
Super, bro. Super. After a long time.
How does it feel to ride after long?
Really great. You know, want to be in a Acclaim team.
Just highlighted Royal Enfield with highlighter.
We had never come, no, in bikes. Should come once in bikes also.
You have come here earlier?
Not me. I'm telling we should.
I remember you kept on saying about this place.
No,
Betta Mugli Line.
it's nice, no, see.
Very nice.
Why you didn't come when you went Mount Raleigh?
Busy. Okay, didn't vlog much because we met after a long time. We were talking. We're finally here. There is this viewpoint. Hello. Giving all wrong locations.
People can't follow directions. What is this behavior?
How was the drive?
It was good. Hunting the bikes.
So you can sit on top, huh?
No, pa, it'll break. Not for your weight. You put on weight, I've lost it. What are you telling me? How many cigarettes you smoke already?
4.
Or is this the one? Is this one?
Uncle, see. 4 cigarettes.
I think we can have a real bit in the ticket. Water.
Hey, Kotigere. Tell fast spelling you told now. There is literally no road.
3, 2, 1.
We are in no man's land. No.
Lotus seats, Makana.
Makana. Beautiful roads. I didn't vlog much because we were all talking, enjoying, because it was a long time since I met with the group. So we are now here in our. Where we saw a lake and we saw a store.
What is the cost of the drone that kid is asking?
30. So we've stopped here taking a walk around this pond or lake or whatever you want to call it.
Makana beka.
Harshit Makana kodistanu.
You want Makana?
Makana.
Lotus seats.
So there are lotus here. Harshit is telling you anyone wants Makana.
Yeah, buffalo will also. Zoom in mado.
Oh my god, guys, you have to see. There is a buffalo there.
Yeah, we can ask them to get it. No, on the lotus kodo. One lotus.
One lotus.
Video. One lotus.
One lotus.
Straight. Nalla lotus.
Poo.
One.
One.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳು.
Thank you. Guys, that lotus.
ಒಂದು ಕೊಡು.
Vanda.
See, Akash ready for gifting his girlfriend.
Correct. Fishing panla. Fishing.
ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಫಿಶ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಚಲೋ.
They are fishing. Thank you. Kids are fishing and all here.
ನೋಡು.
Hey.
See in her hand. Fish.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Oh, there is fish here.
Oh, she threw it back.
Why?
ವೈ
Too small.
ಹಾಂ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ
ಚಿಕ್ಕ
ಓ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಕೊಂಚಂ ಕೊಂಚಂ
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ವಾ?
Why will you eat small one? If you let it grow, it will grow big. If you take enough of the small one,
I thought that's also another that also
No,
can
no,
eat,
sick.
but you can eat big one.
va.
चलो
ಎಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
7.
ಸೆವೆಂತ್ See, there's a buffalo there. I never could make out.
ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ.
The
What?
orange thing, I thought suddenly it was some animal or bird.
Flag.
Buffaloes are chilling.